Welcome to our step-by-step guide on setting up Ghost's interactive videos on your WordPress website. If you're looking to enhance your online store with interactive video content, you're in the right place. Let's get started. To begin, you'll want to navigate to admin.ghostretail.com before signing in with your account credentials. On sign-in, you'll be met with the Ghost homepage, at which point you can look to the left-hand side of the screen and select Collections from the navigation menu. On the Collections page, you'll be met with all of the video collections created to date in your admin, along with the option on the right-hand side of the screen to add to site. We'll go ahead and click Add to Site, where we'll be presented with three distinct display type options: Video Carousel, Widget, and Inline Player. For today's purposes, we're going to move forward with Video Carousel. On selecting our display type, you'll be presented with two small steps, as well as two scripts to implement on your site. We're going to go ahead and copy this first script using the icon provided on the right-hand side of the screen before moving into our WordPress site. In our WordPress site, we'll want to navigate down to Plugins, and we're going to search for head code. We can go ahead and select this first option here, and we'll install and activate. After we've completed the installation, we can click back to Plugins, where we can navigate to Installed Plugins and confirm that we see head and footer code activated, which we do. At this point, we can move to Tools, go to Header and Footer Code, and we can identify the head code box up here at the top, which is where we'll paste the initial script that we grabbed from the Ghost admin. We'll want to make sure to save our changes using this button down here at the bottom. And once we've done so, we're free to navigate to Pages. We can select a page we would like to implement interactive video on. In this case, we'll use the home page. And at this point, we can hover to add a section. We're going to be looking for a custom HTML option here, which we can select from the menu. At this point, we can flip back into the Ghost admin and pick up this second script. Now we can hop back into WordPress, paste in our script, flip this to preview, and update with our changes. Now that our changes have been updated, we can hit this arrow to view the page live, where we can see our interactive videos populating on screen as expected. And that will complete your WordPress implementation. Thank you for following along today with our guide. If you have any questions or need further assistance, the Ghost support team is here to help. Don't forget to explore all the features and benefits that Ghost has to offer. Thank you.